Yay, salut! Here's some more answers as you requested. On va faire conjuguer from Thursday the 15th. So jeudi le 15, conjuguer. Let's try it out. Just a shout out there. I see you in online land. Michaela, bonjour. There's Liam. There's Brooklyn and Mackenzie. And there's Sean. Bonjour, monsieur. There's Nick. Ooh. Brigitte. Tout le monde. Ryan, everybody's here. All right. Take a look. Lisez activement le paragraphe et utilisez le temps le plus logique pour conjuguer les verbes. Les verbes peuvent être, they can be in the présent, imparfait ou passé composé. Oh là là. So check it out here. Autrefois, quand Julie blank petite, it's like back in the past here when Julie was small. So was, that's just describing. Oui, just describing. Are you thinking être goes with oui, était. Était petit. It's a good thing to try this and then watch the video so you can see if you were right. But if you're having trouble, this will help you out. Julie était petite, elle blank dans une ferme. So she lived on a farm. Again, this is just describing her. So, imparfait. Habitait dans une ferme. Elle blank à sa mère tous les jours. Tous les jours means every day, over and over. So usually the first couple sentences do use the imparfait. Oops. Because you're just describing. So, aider. She helped her mother every day. She cleared off the table. And because it's every day, we're still using imparfait. Elle débarrassait la table. Elle... And drying the dishes. Essuyer. La vaisselle. And sweeping. So again, these are just the chores she would do every day. That's why they're on the imparfait. So, était, habiter, aider, débarrasser, essuyer, and balayer. Make sure I spell it right. Bon. Elle blank aussi son lit tous les matins. Every day. So, every day she made her bed. So, faisait. Un jour. Ooh, number 8. Now we get to an actual one day something happened. So, we were just describing before. Now we're going one day. Let's see. Okay. She blank the table when suddenly, okay, so probably she was setting the table when suddenly her father entered in the kitchen. That's right, that's an action there. So, entrée dans la cuisine, toute contente. Il blank d'acheter un nouveau tracteur. He came from buying a new tractor. Or he was coming from buying a new tractor. Let's see. To work faster. Okay, so he, we're going to use venait. Whoops. So he was just coming, so he was coming from buying a new tractor. After that, the tractor blanked the father to do lots of things. So the tractor helped him. A aider. Son père a faire beaucoup de choses. Son père blank beaucoup de produits. Sold a lot of products. Or produce, sorry. So probably you just sell them one time. So, a vendu beaucoup de produits. Maintenant, oh, now we're like, maintenant la famille de Julie blank riche. Now we're saying now, so that would be the present tense. So what's être in the present? Est riche. Okay. All right, read along with me. Autrefois, quand Julie était petite, elle habitait dans une ferme. Elle aidait sa mère tous les jours. Elle débarrassait la table et elle essuyait la vaisselle. Elle balayait. Elle faisait aussi son lit tous les matins. Un jour, elle mettait la table quand soudain son père est entré dans la cuisine tout content. Il venait d'acheter un nouveau tracteur pour travailler plus vite. Après cela, le tracteur a aidé son père à faire beaucoup de choses. Son père a vendu beaucoup de produits. Maintenant, la famille de Julie est riche. See if we're right. Oh, what did I miss? Oh, accent. Désolé. I think I did miss one accent there. Ma faute. Désolé. Let's see if we're right with the accent. And oui, on est correct. Merci. Hope that helps. Oops, never forget how to turn this off. There we are, we hope.